Amazing morning! Ako po si Myla B. Francisco ng Porac, Pampanga. At ako po isang magpapatunay kung gaano kagaling at amazing ang ating product. So, I heard this amazing product barley through my good friend, my mentor Elle. Ang condition ko po na nakatulong sa akin is cancer. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2021. At that time, I don't know exactly about IAM Worldwide products. Nothing at all. So everything happened, chemotherapy, radiation, and I survived that particular treatment. And then comes 2023. That is my monitoring stage in December. So I had my PET scan. And at that time as well, I don't know yet I am worldwide product. So my PET scan arrived and they found another lump on my right breast and lymph nodes on my armpits. So yung left ko po wala na, natanggal na. Yung right ko at this time, natagpuan na naman na meron. And this is the time that my good friend introduced to me I am worldwide barley. I don't know the exact days, but if I'm not mistaken, December 19, 2023, I started to take I am worldwide pure organic barley. 3 sachets to 4 sachets a day. That's why what I'm taking it based on the instruction of my good friend kasi may nakausap siya sa Manila, si Ms. Maritoni Fernandez daw, ganun ang ginawa niya. So to cut it short, January, I had my ultrasound and my doctor told me at that time that in the ultrasound, there's no 3.4 centimeter mass on my right breast. So I don't know what happened, but what I'm taking at that time is this pure organic powdered barley. And then, but my lymph nodes on my armpit, nandun pa po yung kulani ko. So my doctor decided, let's remove it. And I wanted to check as well, saan napunta yung bukol. So my surgery came January 17. So imagine, December 19, religiously taking barley until January 17. So tinanggal ulit ang right breast ko, tinanggal ang mga kulani. So, waiting period ako for the biopsy. So, continue. Barley. My recovery was very fast. Ang ganda ng pakiramdam ko. Ang ganda ng healing process ng aking mga sugat. And then, the moment of truth came. Lumabas po ang biopsy ko for this right breast, lymph nodes, and kulani, and whatever mass na nandun. Wala po talaga yung mass, kinapanan ng doktor ko yung right breast ko, baka kasi daw nagtago lang, pero wala talaga siya. And thank God, thank to I am worldwide products, yung mga lymph nodes kulani na nakita sa right breast ko, right armpit ko, they are found negative for cancer. So, hindi na ako nag-proceed for another series of chemotherapy and radiation therapy, wala na yon. Even my doctor cannot answer. Kasi siya very positive siya na ulitin mo lang yung procedure mo, pero wala po. So, I don't know what happened, but I know for sure that God made this an instrument for me, for my healing, and I will continue taking it just like Ms. Maritoni Fernandez, because if Maritoni took it and she is now a survivor for 2 decades and more, I wanted to be like her. So, there's nothing to lose, di po ba? Don't waste any time. We have to do this because this is in our control. Huwag na po natin tipirin ang ating sarili. Kasi pag nagkataon na nagkasakit, sobra-sobra po ang laki ng gastos natin. So, continue to take this for a lifetime because this I am worldwide barley also give me another life. So, thank you. This is Myla B. Francisco and I am worldwide.